Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing / review of this Syncwire travel accessory bag, or you could call it a gadget bag. Basically, a way when you're traveling to have a place to put like your chargers and your cords and all that good stuff. Because, you know, when you're traveling, you have all that stuff, you need to take it with you. Rather than having it just flying around loose in your bag or your carry-on, this is a neat little travel bag to be able to take care of it all. A couple of features of this. It is made of premium EVA and Oxford fabric. So it's going to protect things from water or dust or if something is dropped. And it's also user-friendly designs. You'll see it's got good ways to organize it, and it's easy to carry, very lightweight. So let's open it up and take a look at it. Nicely packaged, not just thrown in the box, but wrapped up nice and good to keep it safe. And here you go. This is it. It's nice. It's that EVA foam, so it's like a hard shell case basically. So it's not, you can see you can't push it down. So stuff that's in there is going to be well protected. You've got this nice handle, looks like a nylon handle. So when you need to pull it out, you can pull it out, or if you just need to carry it, you can carry it with that. You've got your double zipper, as you can see, double zipper. Nice thick zip, so it's going to be easy to zip that up. Really easy to zip and unzip. And then open that up, and here you go. Now they put that in there, of course, to protect it, and you've got like manual and stuff. You can see they include some gadget wires. So these are, you can use these, not gadget wires, but wire wraps. So you can use these. Let's take a look at those first real quick. So these are great. I love these because you can put this, you can put a cord through there so that it's stays on the cord. And then when you roll your cord up, you use this. It's a little Velcro to wrap around the cord. So it can help keep your cords organized and together. So that's cool that they include 4 of those, as well as this little mini carabiner. So if you wanted to attach this to the outside of your carry-on or something with this little carabiner, you could. So that's cool, they include that. And then you've got some warranty card information in there as well. So nice group of accessories they include besides the bag itself. So let's look at the bag itself. You can see you've got this nice pocket down here. You've got this mesh cover that goes just halfway up, so you can put a lot of cords in there. And then on this side, you've got basically 2 pockets. You've got a solid pocket. You've got a pocket here with a solid front, and this is a thinner, not as deep as this side. You can see this is the deeper side. This is the narrower side. And then you've got a mesh pocket in front of here so that you can put stuff in there. So very simple, but really, really great. And I've been needing something like this. I traveled recently, and I just basically threw all my wires in the side pocket of my little carry-on bag, like a gym bag that I use for carry-on. And it worked, but you know, they were just all over the place. And then the chargers wouldn't quite fit in that side pocket, so then the chargers I had in the main pocket. And then I also had lots of other stuff in there. So yeah, I can definitely see the benefit of this because I can fit chargers and stuff on this side, as well as maybe some cords and then some of the other cords on this side. So once I get everything in there, this is going to be great. And then the fact that once you close it and zip it up, it's a hard case. You don't have to worry about stuff getting messed up. You know, if you drop it or something, if it's in your bag and something gets set on top of it, it's a hard case, so it's going to protect everything that's in there, and it also looks good. Very simple, but looks great, and great functionality. Very well designed. There's that little tab that you can lock that carabiner onto if you want to, right there. So that's there. But yeah, great gadget bag or travel accessory bag, electronic accessory bag from Syncwire to use when traveling, or even just for business. If you drive around a lot and you got to take stuff with you when you're going around town, then this would be a great way to keep all of your charging cords and chargers and all that kind of stuff safe, protected, and also organized. So excellent product by Syncwire. Anyway, that's going to be it for this unboxing and review. If you like this video, please click that like button. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. Subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. If you have questions about this, post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.